guys, I just got a squishy package for my birthday. Well, my birthday was May 20th, but I just decided to do it today. I got a bunch of squishies and, well, yeah, let's get ready. I got jumbo squishies and I got 3 jumbo squishies and a lot of tiny squishies. So yeah, let's get started. So here's the first jumbo squishy I got for my birthday. It is a brain squishy. OMG. Do you see how squishy this brain is? Oh my god, look at this. It's insane. Okay, now let's put that one over there. Next jumbo squishy, let's get it out, is the strawberry. This is a scented strawberry. The top fell off because I let my baby brother borrow it and he ripped off the top. So this is the strawberry squishy. Like, this one is incredibly soft and slow rising. Some of these did not, I don't know what these ones came from. I either got them from iBloom. These either came from iBloom, or it came from iBloom, or what are those called? iBloom, or what was it called? Jenny. Go to So Kawaii's channel. She said it on the video she published on May 20th, which is my birthday date. It was, I don't know what it was. Jenny or something. This is what it looks like close up. You could also get this one at Rue 21. My sister got one like this from Rue 21. But hers isn't as good as mine is. This is incredibly slow. Watch. Insane. Insaneness. Squishies are insane. Okay, the last jumbo squishy one I got is this one. It is a panda bear. Has an adorable face. I have one matching one to this, but it is a small one. I'm going to be showing that one next for the small ones. This one is also incredibly squishy. OMG. Okay. This is blowing my mind. Okay. Here's a close-up. Okay, now on to all the tiny squishies. So I told you guys I would be showing the one that looks like this panda. Here's the next one. It is another panda bear, but it's with a red bow. I have one with a pink bow, but I did a giveaway and gave that to my friend Shani. It was a free giveaway because she was one of my YouTube followers. You guys should go check her out on Musical.ly. It's called My Cute Pooping Puppy. So here is this one. OMG, here's a close-up. OMG, this squishy is really good. Next one. This one is I don't know what they're called. They're from China, like Japanese places. You know, Dr. Squish, she had a bunch of these. I don't know what they were called, though. These also have tiny keychains attached to them, so they can hang on your book bag. They all have tiny keychains attached to them. Here's a close-up. I'm doing a close-up of every single one of them, but you can see it really close. Sorry about my feet. Don't mind them being in the way. Next is this one. I also have a koala that kind of looks like this one. This one I'm not doing a close-up actually because you can see it perfectly fine. This one I personally like hanging on my lunchbox every time I take it to school because, well, yeah. And you guys already know it is summertime. Everyone is off of school. I'm going to be doing more videos this summer, so subscribe and like my videos and turn on my post notifications and you'll see all my videos. And I will give you a shout out. So, yeah. And comments on them, so. Okay, next squishy. I told you I'd be showing this one. Koala. It looks just like it. I'm not doing a close-up on this one, so, because they're so tiny, you don't need to do a close-up. Okay, next one is, I love this one. It's a pig. A pig. Just like my dad. I'm just kidding. My dad is not a pig. Actually, keep it between me and you. He is when he eats. Here's a close-up on the pig. Okay, next squishy. The next squishy is going to be donut one. My baby brother ripped off all the sprinkles, so now it's just a heart donut. Sorry about that. It was going to be really exciting, but too bad my baby brother likes getting into my stuff. Here's a close-up. Okay, next squishy is the banana. The banana is a really good one. Look. Sorry about the lighting. It's my fan, I don't know. It's horrible lighting. My mind is blown. My mind is blown. Blown. I'm so dumb. Let's do a zoom in on this one. OMG, these are so nice. Next one, this is another Japanese squishy. Oh my god, this one is incredibly soft. If you guys are squishing this, you would not know how incredibly soft this is. It is so soft. It is so squishy. Oh my god. I cannot stop squishing this. Here's a close-up. That one is so squishy. I cannot stop squishing this. I miss you already. Okay, next one is a foot. Here's a foot. A foot with glasses. This one's also incredibly slow rising and it's really soft. Again, sorry about the lighting. It's horrible. And again, I mentioned that mostly the eye bloom squishies, well, they come up with matching ones. I haven't really got any matching ones besides the 2 feet, which I'm going to be showing the paw, which is an animal paw next. Is the human feet. Close up. Next squishy. Here's the paw. Where's that? Oh my god. This one is incredibly soft like this one. They're really soft. It's so cute. What's this? Oh my god, they're so incredibly squishy. Next squishy. The next squishy is, I don't know which one to choose. There's, I'll choose this one. This is a doggy bread. Oh my god, this one is so awesome. Oh, for some reason, I think the sticky squishies are my favorite. They're incredibly awesome. I like this one because it's sticky. Listen to the sticks. Incredibly sticky. I love these ones. Okay, next one. Oh, loaf of bread, loaf of bread. Doing a close-up of it. I love loaves of bread. Next squishy. Oh, I love this one. It's like a scared, what are they called? I don't know. If you know what this is called, comment down below, I guess. I don't know what this is called. I literally don't know. Whoa, whatever. Close up. Next squishy. How about the turtle? Turtle, turtle, turtle. If you take off the head and the arms, what was it called? Melon bun. It looks like a melon bun. Here's a close-up. Next squishy. I love the ones with the mad faces. It's a heart squishy. I hate the one with the dents though, look. And look, it has to take a long time for the dents to go away. And it went away. You saw it pop back up. Well, but it's still a squishy one. Here's a close-up. Next squishy. Next squishy is this one. This. It's a good one. Here's a close-up. This one is, what was it called? Okay, I don't know what most of them are called. They came in tiny packaging, but I sort of kind of opened the package up already, so sorry. Here is the last squishy. I don't know what this is. A pink bear, a pink bear. Let's just go with that. Here's a close-up. Okay, those were all my squishies. I hope you liked this video, and I just want to show you guys how dirty my floor is right now. Oh my god, watch this. Well, this is how dirty the floor is. They're all over the floor. I did not mean to do that. Well, I hope you guys like this video. I will be back with another video, I think, like next week. Bye-bye, guys.